Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we take beauty seriously, but we never forget to have a little fun along the way. Today, we're diving into something that's a bit of a game changer in oral care, the COSLUS Portable Water Flosser for teeth. If you're someone who struggles with traditional flossing or just wants an extra boost in your dental routine, this could be the tool you've been looking for. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest, in-depth reviews. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this flosser. The COSLUS Water Flosser is designed with convenience and versatility in mind. It features 10 adjustable pressure settings, allowing you to fine-tune the water flow to your exact needs. This makes it great for everyone, from those with sensitive gums to people with braces or even orthodontic appliances. The stepless dial lets you adjust the pressure seamlessly, just like adjusting your phone's volume without interrupting your routine. Whether you're a teen, adult, or even a senior, this portable flosser adapts to fit your dental care needs. So let's talk about what's inside the box. The COSLUS Water Flosser comes with a few key features that make it stand out in the market. First up, the dual flow technology. This advanced feature boosts the cleaning power of the water, providing more thorough coverage as you floss. It's backed by 6 years of research, so you can rest assured that the design is both effective and scientifically proven to help remove surface stains and interdental deposits. Plus, it's made with BPA-Free materials, which is a big win for your health and peace of mind. But what really sets this flosser apart is how portable and travel-friendly it is. Whether you're headed to the office, on vacation, or simply on a business trip, this cordless flosser is compact enough to take with you. One full charge provides up to 30 days of continuous use, based on 1 to 2 uses per day, which is pretty impressive. And with the USB fast charging port, it's super convenient for recharging wherever you are. When it comes to performance, I've been using the COSLUS flosser for a few weeks now, and I've been really impressed with how it fits into my daily routine. It's easy to hold, and the water pressure settings allow for a truly customizable experience. I've used it both in the morning and at night, and it does a fantastic job cleaning between my teeth and along the gum line without being harsh or uncomfortable. And for those with braces or sensitive gums, it's a gentle yet effective way to keep your oral hygiene in check. As far as the pros go, I love how versatile the COSLUS Water Flosser is. With its variety of nozzles, standard, orthodontic, and periodontal, you can tackle pretty much any oral care issue. It also has a large 300 milliliter water tank, which means less refilling during your routine. Another huge plus is the IPX7 waterproof rating, which means I can use it in the shower without worrying about damaging the unit. On the flip side, one thing I noticed is that the water tank could be a little larger if you have a long flossing session, though this isn't a deal breaker for most people. And while the flosser itself is well built, the lack of an included adapter for charging might be a downside for those who don't have one lying around. Now, let's talk value for money. The COSLUS Portable Water Flosser comes in at a mid-range price point. While it's certainly an investment, I do think it offers great value for the quality and versatility. With features like the 10 pressure settings, multi-nozzle system, and long battery life, you're getting a well-rounded product that competes with higher-end models on the market. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are other water flossers available, but many lack the level of customization and portability this model offers. If you're simply after a flosser for basic daily use, you might find a cheaper option that gets the job done. But for a more thorough, flexible experience, the COSLUS flosser stands out. The build quality is solid, and the flosser is designed to last. I can't comment yet on how it will hold up over the years, but given the sturdy construction and upgraded motor, I feel confident it will be a reliable tool for daily oral care. So, is this flosser worth it? I'd say if you're looking for a customizable, effective, and portable solution to your flossing routine, the COSLUS Portable Water Flosser is a solid choice. It's ideal for anyone with braces, sensitive gums, or those who want a more efficient way to clean between their teeth without the hassle of traditional flossing. Thank you for watching today's review. If you're interested in giving the COSLUS Flosser a try, you can find the link in the description or comments below. And if you've used this product already, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and let me know how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.